How to turn on or turn off battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on battery. Then go down and tap on battery protection. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. Once it is turned on, you can set it to basics, adaptive or maximum protection. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.